Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your pilot, Captain Morgan. Assisting on the flight deck today is First Officer Jack Daniels. We're currently flying at 30,000 feet, and we'll be taking off shortly.
It was weird. Everybody on the plane was nervous, but I'd been drinking since lunch, and I was like, take it down, I don't care. You ever had one of those days? It's something hard. I don't want to limp away from this wreck. The guy sitting next to me is losing his mind. Apparently, he had a lot to live for.